Damn it! At this point, I am switching to DaVinci Resolve. Sounds like a person's name. I use Premiere Pro mostly for my video editing. I use DaVinci sometimes, but Premiere Pro is my go-to-go. And then, as Premiere Pro users, we face a lot of problems. Premiere Pro has its own ups and downs and problems here and there. That sometimes it's frustrating, and it can be exhausting as well. Some of this problem has to do with output and input and sound not syncing and audio not syncing with video or this and that, blah 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 blah. But there's this problem that I've been facing for some time now. But God being so good, I have solution to this problem. Hey, and I know this solution is also going to help you. So have you been editing your video for several hours now? Or maybe let me say several days. Some video editing takes even several months or a month to have them edited. So when you check your Premiere Pro timeline, you realize that all the footages and video files are synced perfectly on the timeline. Have you noticed that when you output or render your video, you realize that some of the audio do not play, or some of the audio are being muted under the videos, and it is exhausting. It is frustrating sometimes. I don't know whether you are also going through this problem, but if you are, this solution is going to be the best for you. At this point, a follow to this page will be fixable, or a sub to this channel will be still fixable. So now let's head to Premiere Pro. I have a project I've been working on, so maybe I get to show you what I'm talking about, and then later on we head to the output settings to take you through what you should do to help you get rid of that problem. So this is a timeline, and I'm going to place it's called the potasso. So you can see that everything is playing perfectly. The video on the timeline is playing perfectly. So yes, it is working perfectly. It's working perfectly. I'm gonna go through fast. You see, it's still playing. Everything is playing. I think I'm gonna go all the way to the end of the video so that it gets to know what I'm talking about. Everything is playing, still playing perfectly. Okay, almost at the end now. Yeah, so some the same. And also, good. So there's no problem with the video on the timeline. I think I'm gonna make out, and in some point over here, and then render and see what happens, after the rendering. I'm going to control. I'm pressing the control and the M together. Let's go to audio. See if everything is perfectly there. Or let me just save it. Let me type something like tryout 22 or something like that. Yeah, 22 because I already have tryout here. So tryout 22, then save it. Okay, then let's go to audio. Let's see if everything is okay. Mostly, save it 120, 320 or something. Yeah. So now the video, let's try to come down. This is what the problems is. So yeah, what you see over here is mostly the problem, the bitrate encoding. If you don't take care, or maybe if you look at your rendering setting, you might have it on VBR 1 pass or VBR 2 pass. That is what the problem is. It has to be on the CBR. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it on VBR so that I get to show you the problem that I'm facing here. I think render at maximum depth it's on, so I'm leaving it right here. Let's try to render. Okay, I think I'm have to fast forward this, so we can be fast forward. I don't want the video to be way longer than expected. Yes, guys, our video is already rendered out, almost rendered out. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens to our video. I'm still using 2022 Premiere Pro. I don't use it often, so I don't see the essence of uploading, updating to the latest version. So let's open the video and play out and see. You know what? You can call it whatever you want.
I'm taking the po. You can take the two or so. Let me see yours.
Okay, this app right here helps you to install IP addresses on your phone or smart devices. You also, the beginning of the video plays smoothly, but the audio somehow is muted. So if you are facing the same problem, we're gonna go back into Premiere Pro, and this time around we are going with the right settings. So what you're gonna do is that we're gonna go to video, then come all the way down to where we're going to find the bitrate encoding, and we're going to change from so if your setting is already on VBR plus 1 or maybe VBR plus 2, this time around change it to CBR, which I strongly believe that your problem is going to be fixed. So this is the problem. We are going to head over to Premiere Pro, and this time around I'm going to mark out the video again, and I'm going with the correct settings, and it should be able to solve the problem that I am facing and you are also facing. So let's head back to Premiere Pro. Then I'm going to render out again with the right rendering setting that's going to fix your problem. So this time around, I'm heading down to the bitrate encoding. Then I change the VBR to the CBR. Good. Then I render out the video. This app right here is called the Potasso. You know what? You can call it whatever you want.
I'm taking the po. You can take the two or so. Let me.
Yes, I know now you have solution to your problem. Now you can render your video in peace and rest assured that all the audio are going to sync perfectly and they are going to play after being rendered. If you haven't subscribed, I want you to subscribe. If you haven't liked the page yet, I want you to like the page, because this is going to help me a lot. You're going to support this channel or this page. I want you to follow me. Please. My name remains Baby. Thank you very much for watching the video. I know you enjoyed it. I want you to comment in the comment section. Let me know what you don't like about this video. And if you also have suggestions, let me also know. If this video did not solve your problem, then there is another solution that I'll be bringing very soon, maybe in a day or two. I think that is also going to help you solve your problem. Peace out.